Hello everyone, I'm Jessica Ora Esaputri. Today I'm going to present a graph entitled Electricity Consumption and Production by Country. The data in this graph measure in billion kilowatt hours. This graph provides interesting insight into electricity production and consumption patterns in several countries, including China, United States, Germany, Russian, Korean, Indian, and Canada. There are three main focuses, including first, China and the United States have the highest level of electricity consumption and production among all countries shown. Second, Germany, Russian, and Korean show relatively stable patterns between production and consumption. And last, India and Canada produce more electricity than they consume. Let's begin with the first trend, which focuses on China and United States. China produced around 5,398 billion kilowatt hours and consumed about 5,322 billion kilowatt hours. Meanwhile, the United States produced approximately 4,099 billion kilowatt hours and consumed around 3,866 billion kilowatt hours. These numbers are significantly higher than those of the other countries showed in the graph. One possible reason is that both countries have very large population and highly developed industrial sectors. The second trend can be seen in Germany, Russian, and Korean, which show relatively stable level of electricity production and consumption. This stability can be proved by the small difference of the amount of electricity produced and consumed in this country. Germany had a difference of around 55.9 billion kilowatt hours. Russia showed the most balanced condition with a difference of only around 90 billion kilowatt hours. Meanwhile, Korea had a difference of approximately 35.6 billion kilowatt hours. These relatively small gaps indicate that three countries have a fairly balanced level of electricity production and consumption. The third trend focused on India and Canada. Both countries showed a significant difference between electricity production and consumption, which indicate that their electricity production was considerably higher than the amount of consumed. India had a difference of around 172.2 billion kilowatt hours between production and consumption. Meanwhile, Canada showed a difference of approximately 180.1 billion kilowatt hours. This large gap suggests that both countries production more electricity than they needed for domestic consumption, which may indicate the availability of surplus for export or future. In conclusion, the graph showed different patterns of production and consumption among the countries observed. This difference reflects each country's economic condition, industrial capacity, and market demand. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you found this video informative and easy to understand. Bye bye. See you.